Space is a vacuum, right? So, why can't we hear anything? Well, get ready to hear the sounds of space. Technically, space is silent, no air, no sound waves, but there's something that can still make noise. NASA has recorded radio waves from planets, and guess what? These waves can be converted into sound. What you're hearing are the eerie emissions from space itself. Mind-blowing, right? Smash that like button if you want to hear more strange sounds from the universe. Subscribe for your next cosmic discovery. Like, subscribe, share, comment below with what you think it sounds like.